Welcome to RPL Assess. You'll receive an email that will give you access to your RPL Assess student portal. Follow a couple of simple steps to ensure your RPL experience is easy and effective. Copy the password that's provided in the email. Click Log In. When your portal opens, enter your email. That's the email your RTO will have on your student file. Paste the password you've just copied into the space provided. Save this link to bookmarks or favorites on your computer. You can return to this link as your personalized subdomain at any time. Click Log In. You'll see a list of the units of competency you've been assigned. Click on Status. Your RPL Status and Progress portal will open. Let's put this aside for a moment and return to your files on your computer. Collate the evidence of your prior learning, skills, and experience. RPL Assess will accept photos, video, audio, other types of documents, certificates, any and all evidence that will support your RPL application. Arrange the evidence you've collated in a convenient position adjacent to your RPL Assess portal on your computer. Simply drag and drop the files you would like to submit to the cloud icon under the heading RPL Supporting Documents. You can save your RPL application and return to add more evidence at any time. Continue until you've submitted everything you feel will adequately support your RPL application. That's it. When you are happy with what you've submitted, tick Check to submit your documents for assessment. This is your final response, so be sure you're happy to move forward. Your assessor will take it from here. They'll provide feedback on your result as soon as possible.